उसको आने मत दो। गो बैंक मेघालय पुलिस शॉर्ट पुलिस मेघालय पाथर भाঙা দিচ্ছে পুলিশ শহর পুলিশ
Presiden Kutumba Suraksha Parishad KSP Usatya Ranjan Bora Ula Punram Juri ke jing Thombor but jing Penjulori ke Kali Khamtami ke bida number Assam Ha Garali Thok Lama Yong Bala Pelong da Khasi Students Union KSU Hashilong Ubara Ula Kenno baki kam Thombor ke bla Jah Garali ke long ke Bashirkei but Ula Punya Suryem Yaki Barkajing Jah Hapahalgam Ula dawa badaiban ken be anyo ya ka KSU da ka bapentip baka KSP kala de pha jingtho she secretary ka union Ministry of Home Affairs halor kani ulong ba watla ka KSU ka di ka seng samla puli kamdan banshim ya ka an hala ka jongkakti ne ban khanglan ya ki hok baka riti sinshar ka ri kala penkop ya ki nong shongshno ula banjur ba uwe unong India udon hok ban net ban wan ban tray ban seng kam seng jam ha kanu ka benta jong kari kat ba ubot ya ka an karkum ki kai phot hadin ka jingjia lai phuwe tali ki kali kila sha penjulor kentup ya bun tali ki badan number Assam la register ru khan ru tali ki case halor ki jingken no thombor kat ba kawi ka kali sarkar kala sha thang ubora ula kentho ru ya ka sarkar Meghalaya halor ka jingbam penkre ya kila jingyada ki babiang wala Kala tip lupa syapang karali ula dawa badaiban itu ya baro ki badangti lingba ki dor video bat ki wei ki saki bat ban pensitom ya ki katkum kaan. Ula dawa ru ba umentri rang ba ka Meghalaya udai ban panma pat ba naki pat ba Assam halor ka jing sya thombor bat ki nonglet nongwan bat ka jing sya penjulor jong ki kali Assam.
We don't want to block the cars. We don't want to destroy the economy of Meghalaya, and we are not want to have any tense situation in both the states. See, there is a law. That is science law. It's Newton's third law. Every action there is a same and opposite reaction. But still, those Khasi student union, which I said, it is not a student group, rather it is a group of terror minds. Because the kind of activities they did, they vandalized the national heroes. Swami Vivekananda, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, they are not Bengali heroes, they are national heroes. As like Veer Tikendra is not Manipuri hero, he is nation's hero. Lasit Borphukan is not Assamese hero, he is a hero of the nation. So Shivaji Maharaj is not Marathi hero, he is the hero of the nation. We have to respect each and everyone, but Khasi Student Union demolish, vandalize the national heroes and they violate Article 51A of the Constitution of India. Why? Article 51A says what? A, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideal and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. What they did, they vandalized the national ideals, Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. They violate Article 51A. Again, what B says, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired the national struggle for freedom fighting. Who is Subhash Bose? You are fighting for our freedom. But this Khasi Student Union people who whom I say those are terror mind people. Even they are worse than the Pahalgam terrorists who came from Pakistan. These Khasi student unions are worse than those Pakistani terrorists because they violate the Article 51A(b). Then what she says to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Where is the sovereignty? Where is the integrity? They destroyed everything. They only believe in exclusiveness. They only talking about their own people. They forget about all Assamese people who live in Meghalaya. They don't care about the Bengali people who live in Meghalaya. They even don't give the ownership of the land. And they are actually violating all the Article 51A of the Constitution of India. That means they are doing anti-national activities. They are doing anti-human activities. Even I am surprised how they can be a believer of Jesus Christ. Because Jesus Christ is a messenger of follower of peace. His principle was to spread peace and love, togetherness, brotherhood. But this Khasi student union, who are said to be followers of Jesus Christ, they are actually crucifying Jesus again. Multiple times. Whenever they are trying to spread the hatred, they are trying to spread the tense situation, they are crucifying Jesus. They are the culprit. They are the actually Hindi mein jo kehna, they are dhappa in the name of Jesus Christ. They are followers. They are not the followers of Jesus Christ. They are one of the 12 disciples of Jesus who crucified Jesus. They are the followers of that person who crucified Jesus, and they crucifying Jesus again and again. That is a see, when you interrogate or when you keep captured, do you think he realizes or he accepts his activities? No. If you are not intended to do this kind of anti-national activities, then why you wear black clothes? Why you put all your mask? Why? You must keep. You have some certain problems with your Meghalaya government and do protest in that way. Go to Meghalaya Assembly, protest in front of Meghalaya Assembly, start your rally. Why you are targeting Polda cards? Why you are targeting normal people? If now you are saying those are not belongs to KSU, who will justify? Because अगर आप कहोगे तो I am not going to believe in you because you have destroyed our belief system. आपने जो credibility पहले कमाया था, you have lost everything. Now you are become a group of terror minds. You are no more a student union. Even I clearly say, I am writing a letter to the Home Secretary of Government of India. I am writing a letter to Honorable Home Minister of Government of India to impose ban on KSU because they are violating every time. They are violating the Constitution of India. They are doing anti-national, anti-Indian activities, anti-human activities. In fact, they are doing anti-religious activities. They are developing the secularism character of the country. They cannot be tolerated anymore. They must be banned. Only condemn that kind of activities which is against the secular character of this country. I am a strong believer of Sanatan. What Sanatan says, we all are friends. We all are in one family. That is called global family. We are a believer. Sanatan says inclusiveness. We are talking about Naro Narayan. Narayan means the God. Naro means the man. We are talking about like that. But what those people say now, if you are saying some people are trying to demolish the church over here also, I am the first man who like to capture all those culprits. If KSU says those are miscreants, those are not belong to KSU, then it is the responsibility of KSU to capture those culprits and put them in the gunshot of the government. Why they are not doing this? Only giving the justification is not suffice. You have to capture those culprits. If it's not belong to you, then only we can understand, we can feel that you are doing the right thing. Otherwise, you have to say sorry to the people of Assam. Meghalaya government has to say sorry to the people of Assam. Conrad Sangma also has to say sorry to the people of Assam because we are the major contributor for the Meghalaya. See, this road is closed. If this road closed for permanently, how Meghalaya will communicate to the rest of the world? If we close the routes from the Gwalpara side, how Meghalaya will be communicated? If we block the routes from the Kasar side, how can Meghalaya have to be assimilated with Bangladesh? That will be the only way left out for them. So let them think in that. The government has already government has already issued something, and PIL is already so much of PIL High Court has already filed registered. So we want those people must be punished under the NSA Act. Even now this air certification. This thing before going to that, I want to give you like Meghalaya government has released some two new routes. है ना? That is Pilingkata, Vasishta Pilingkata. See, this is ultimately you have to come to Assam, bro, and we will block all the routes.
Yes,
You will don't have any way to connect with the world. So please, to be surrender to us, accept and say sorry and apologize to the people of Assam. We are very honest people and we are very sensitive people. हम आप लोगों को क्षमा कर देंगे. I know हम being a big brother, छोटा बच्चे तो कभी कभी गलती होता है. Just say sorry to us. Otherwise all your routes will be blocked. Conrad Sangma, kind attention please, dear Chief Minister. Kind attention for you. We will block all the routes if you keep if you show your aggression in this way. So mind it.
What is your good name?
My name is Satyaranjan Bora, President of Kutumba Suraksha Parishad, ASU.